This is Eddie04, and today we have DK from Denso Karim. He is one of my friends since I've been, I don't even remember, like what, how old was I? So today we're going to be doing a little bit of something different. We are usually streaming on Twitch. He streams at twitch.tv/Denso Karim. So you can check us out. You can check the link in the description below to find any of our channels there, and you can follow us. So what will we be doing today, Denso?
So today we're gonna be unboxing and also building a streaming and gaming PC.
Okay, so Dens, during COVID, pandemic, and all this stuff, how do you think, how complicated or how difficult it is to actually get these parts to build on your computer?
Actually, it was pretty easy. I just logged into Amazon, start looking for the PCs. Like, okay, what I need for a processor, what I need for a case, what I need for a motherboard. And I mean, all the prices were really accessible. Matter of fact, the GPU, you need to hurry up and buy these because the prices are getting high for this.
As a matter of fact, I mean, I don't want to get deeper into this, but NVIDIA is getting out of stock. We already know that. So graphics cards are not that easy to get. So if Dens is telling you he got this one and there's not many available, then you better hop in quickly. Now you can check all the links in the description below to find out all these different parts that you can find for this build. And when we follow up building up the computer, you'll be able to see which are the parts that we use to set this up together.
So we're gonna start unboxing the case and we're gonna set it aside. There you go.
Go for it.
So we're gonna be starting with pulling this up in order to, wait a second, to install our, I'm so nervous about this. I don't know if you see my hand shaking. So you just line up removing the plate to install. Here. So we're going to remove this one.